Hi everyone, this is Manoj. I'm here once again, and I'm here with a weekly analysis for the week starting from the 24th of September. And we're going to look at the chart that we had last week and what transpired in that week and how is it going to shape up for the coming week. We've had a fantastic week and Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything has been flying and we've been very close to what we predicted. So I'm very happy that our analysis is going in the right direction. Well, let me without spending too much time on this conversation and claiming credits, which is not what everybody likes to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen here. So what you see is Nifty. Now, where were we last week when we did this analysis? Let me just pull this up, and we were probably at this point. This was Friday. This was Monday. If you see my cursor here, this was Monday, and this is where we were on the last analysis that we did. And the blue trajectory was what we were expecting, and it has exactly gone as per the blue trajectory. And this 25,753 was my immediate target, and we got it. So we did about 300 points, 350 points in the last week with its seesaw movement, 350 points again in the entire week. Not bad at all. Do we need to change the trajectories for the coming week? No, we don't need to change the trajectories for the coming week. We can stick with what we have. What we can do is tweak the yellow trajectory a bit so that it can match the new range. And this is what we're looking at. So this is the yellow trajectory, this is the blue trajectory, and this is the red trajectory. If the market goes down, now I can tweak the red trajectory. So let me just remove this and let me try and get you a new trajectory for the red side. And what I think is if we move to the red trajectory, this is what we're going to face, and everything is possible in these markets. There's nothing that is not possible. But yes, we've shown some good resilience and we've reacted well to the Fed interest rate change on Wednesday evening, that was, and Thursday and Friday were two blockbuster days, and we've done well. So this is the red trajectory that I'm looking at, and if you want to take a screenshot, you can do so. So these are the levels to look at. The moment you cross 25,753, aim for 26,148. If it shows you some price movement below 25,753, look at some rotation between 753 and 409 for the coming week. So this is as far as the Nifty is concerned. And yeah, if you fall below this 25,400 level, then yes, you're looking at 25,000 in the coming week or the week next to it. So these are the three things that we need to look at, and level to level is what you need to move from. Let's take another look at the Bank Nifty now. So this is what the Bank Nifty gave us. This is again the daily chart. And where were we on Monday? We were here on Monday. And if you see, we didn't fall back and we didn't even touch this. But what we did was on Monday itself, we took a bounce off this level. So we bounced off this level. We didn't come back to test these levels. We, bounced off these levels on the top. And we didn't need to come back, and we just gone ahead and touched that 53,234, which was my immediate target. But we exceeded our targets in this week, and we went right up to 53,670 to tag this line. And this was a channel that I was thinking that this is the channel which will be respected by the price. It did not. We overshot the channel, and this was a breakout. And since we have a breakout, things are looking rosy. Things are really looking nice for the Bank Nifty. There's been a fantastic move in Bank Nifty and the private banks also. So this space is really looking nice. And these are the interest sensitives, if you know. So if the RBI has to reduce the interest rate in sync with what's happening in the US and what's happening the world over, well, you can see the banks getting more, being more active with their funds, and the industry will start asking for more money and take more money. So that's what we're going to look at. Now, I'm going to look at the trajectory here and change what we're seeing here. So all these three trajectories will need to look at a change, and we will start with the red trajectory, which is the least possible of all the trajectories that we're looking at. So if we see some red in the week, then this is what we can be looking at. And I would say that this should be 51,918 should be something that we should be bothered about. If we see anything red on this, the red on the week would take us somewhere down here. Let's have a look at the yellow trajectory, which is the sideways direction. I think we get good support somewhere here. Maybe this is what we could be looking at. And this will be the movement as far as the yellow trajectory is concerned, which is a sideways movement. And yeah, this is what we could be expected to see on the yellow trajectory, which is a sideways movement. And what about the blue one? This is the one that I think is what the market is going to offer us. So we may see a little bit of a withdrawal, may not see a little bit of withdrawal, but we definitely are looking higher. And yeah, this is probably the blue trajectory that we're looking at. And this is what is the blue trajectory that we're looking at. So what we need to do here is now we will need to add a few more markers to align with what is happening. And I will also give you the price indications on those markers. So you need to be aware of these markers. And once you cross a particular marker, the destination goes to the next level, is how we operate with this analysis. So if you cross 53,996 or 53,400, we're looking at 54,720. If it stays below 53,700, 670, 700, then you're looking at targeting 52,887, which is the bottom of the range. When you get here, you should look at what the price is giving you. And if the price is showing you a bounce, 53,451 is going to be a target. And if in any circumstance you see a price lower than 52,900, then 51,900 is coming. So these are the markers that you need to follow. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot now, or obviously you can have a look at the video again and make your markings on your chart and move. So this is what I foresee happening for us in the coming week. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you find value in the analysis that I've given you. Remember, the markers that we leave on the chart are the ones that you need to focus on. You cross a particular marker, target higher. You're below a particular marker, target lower to the next marker. That's the only way to trade, and that's the simplest way to make money from the markets. The markets will always move from level to level. Remember this. They won't stop in the middle. The levels that I give you are the supports and resistances on the charts. And the market will move from one resistance, one support to the next resistance, and that's the way the market will move incrementally. So stay focused and you cut the noise. If you find that you are making too many trades, get to a higher time frame and cut the noise from the lower time frame, and that's the way you'll be able to make money. If you want to trade intraday, we have a strategy called buy above, sell below. Works beautifully. We have a video. I'll attach the link in the description and also somewhere in the top right hand corner. Go have a look at it, and it can change the way you look at your intraday trading. And if you are somebody who wants to do swing trading, we have a portal where I release trades, and you get alerts on the portal when the trade comes to a particular level where we want you to trigger something. You can take advantage of that. We won't give you a free trial on the swing trades, but you definitely get a free trial for your daily signals. Look forward to having you in the community, test the signals, and I do one-on-one coaching also. So if you're looking to learn more, if you know some technical analysis, but are not scoring with your analysis, get in touch with me. I can help you with the analysis. And remember, once you learn this analysis, it'll remain with you for the rest of life. Don't learn too many things. Just learn one simple strategy, stick to that strategy, master that, and just make money every day using just that simple strategy. You don't need to learn a lot. You just need to learn one simple strategy, crack that code, and get better at it. Because if you practice it daily, you're going to get better at it. That's the holy grail in the market. Look forward to seeing you again. And signing out.